Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change a front turn signal bulb in a 2011 to 2018 Ford Focus. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing a front turn signal bulb on this 2014 Focus, and the procedure will be similar on most of these models from 2011 to 2018, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood and locate the screws at the front and back of the headlight assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove them and set them aside someplace safe. Pull up on the assembly gently to disengage it. You'll need to detach it from the electrical connector in the back before you can remove it completely. Once the assembly is removed, take the cap off the back of the turn signal and pull it gently from the socket. Push your replacement bulb down into its socket. Replace the cap at the back of the bulb. Snap the electrical connector into place at the back of the assembly. Gently position the assembly so that it can be reattached using the two screws you removed earlier. Test the turn signal to make sure it's functioning properly now. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.